Unlock breathtaking cinematic slow motion on your Canon Eos R10, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary visual stories. First, power on your R10 and set the mode dial to the video icon, getting us ready to dive into the optimal slow motion settings. Now, navigate into your camera's menu, find the movie rec quality settings, and locate the frame rate options for truly smooth slow motion. You'll want to select either 120p or 60p. Choosing 120 frames per second will give you the most dramatic slowdown. Perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like splashes or quick actions. 60 frames per second provides a still excellent, smoother than reality effect, ideal for slightly less extreme slow motion. Next, we'll set our shutter speed. The golden rule for slow motion is to double your chosen frame rate, so if you're shooting at 120p, your shutter speed should be around 1/250th of a second. For 60p, aim for 1/125th of a second. This specific shutter speed ensures each frame is sharp, reducing motion blur and making your slow motion footage incredibly crisp and clear. Remember, good lighting is crucial for slow motion, especially when using higher frame rates which require more light for proper exposure. Experiment with your environment to achieve the best results. With these settings, your Canon EOS R10 is now a slow motion powerhouse, ready to capture stunning, professional cinematic sequences. Master these techniques and watch your video projects elevate.